Hey everybody, hello. Hope you all are safe at your homes and somewhat enjoying your lockdown. And it's almost unlocked now, but schools and colleges are not opened. But this is a very, a new experience to me, and which is very great to you, and also, you know, making yourself a bit strong and making yourself a bit kind of confident is what you will be going to get in this video. And I'd like to keep it very simple and short, and the topic that I am going to deliver is how to keep yourself motivating until your success. Firstly, the aim, the ambition of yours should be very genuine to yourself, and also it should be an mandatory thing that you should having to have in your life, you know something that is very mandatory to live your life very fulfilling. So the ambition should be never less than anything in your life, and it should be the most important thing in your life that you should compulsorily have. And this motivation that you should have until your success is something which is very important and something which is very precious also, because everybody can't motivate themselves very frequently, because sometimes you have that stop and pause in your success, which is very common. But at that particular time you will become like somewhat, you become very silent, and somewhat you feel like very low moody, and you feel very moody, and you don't understand what you are going through. So the tips that I am going to give you is keeping yourself motivating until your success, which is very important. So the tips are: first one, never discourage yourself according to the place you live. Sometimes everybody are not confident the place they live. So you know living in a very small town doesn't mean that you are not capable of not achieving your success. The thing that I want to tell you is, your place never decides your success or ambition or anything in your life, because the place you live is nothing. It doesn't matter where you live. So many people are keeping in their mind that I'm living in this small town or this small village, can I do anything and can I compete the world? See, never think like that, because the place you live will never going to decide your success. And never discourage yourself by the place you live. I think you are getting it. And if your aim is high, and sometimes you may feel lower, or sometimes you may feel very moody kind of things, never convince yourself and never give it up. Because when you are very less motivated, or when you're sometimes you will be like, what is this, what is going on, and what I'm doing with my life. At that kind of situations you will give up very soonly, and you will never think that I have done this much hard work that I should do to achieve my success. So at the lower times of your success, in the race of your success, you will have lower times, you will have that pause, you will have that stop, which makes you feel very low. But don't convince yourself and don't give it up on it, because ever do it. Just think about the future, the ambition that you're going to success, or that you're going to obtain in your life. And to be very successful, sometimes you need to be adjustable and you need to be very adaptable. because sometimes you need to sacrifice your comfort zones, because everybody in their lives have their own comforts, and everybody have that small little happiness that they are going to get in their childhood will not get in the race of success. And that means that you should just sacrifice them with a very good smile at your face, because you will be going to taste them again after your success. Don't be scared, because sometimes you feel like I'm missing my happiness. I'm bit of lower, and confidence will be definitely lowering when you're less motivated. So sacrificing your comforts to achieve your success is the somewhat a very key role and a vital role. And keeping yourself motivating until your success, which is very important thing. And training your brain to do everything that you say is the ultimate one, because your brain may not listen yourself sometimes, and you need to follow your heart at that time. But your heart says one thing, your brain says one thing. But in the race of success, your brain will play a very precious role, which is very ultimate. Sometimes just don't you know take your brain very easily, just take your brain very hardly. And also just train your brain, man, just train your brain very 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 wisely, that your brain should do whatever you say to it. And next thing, never get scared by seeing your aim, because it's too high and tough. Never get scared and learn to take calculated risks. If your aim is high in the race of success, when you have a pause, you will definitely feel that I'm not going to achieve this, and you will definitely feel lower. That's very common. But getting scared of your aims is somewhat very weird, and it's somewhat very common also, because of just the aim is very high and tough. You can't give it up on it, right? Whatever it may be tough, you should definitely overcome it, because you have your ambitions, you have your life, and you also want to succeed in life. So just never get scared of your higher aims. Just think it as a tiny thing and do it, because you're huge. And next thing, so many people, when they are doing their level best also, they will think that I am not going to pass this, or I'm not going to get this. Whenever you do hard work, you should just have trust on your hard work and believe in your hard work. Just never estimate yourself very low. See, genuine hard work completely pays you back in the form of success. So be confident because of your hard work, because genuine hard workers are never going to be very unconfident. So never doubt your potentials. Yeah, just your potential is the ultimate thing that you have in the race of success. Just don't doubt your potentials, just make it happen and learn more and improve your potential. Just don't doubt it, because you know your potential, and also you can make it happen whenever you want to. And never underestimate yourself, because of just the competition is very high in the world. Because underestimating yourself, it is very very stupidity, like idiotic behavior. Underestimating yourself is not at all good, because you should definitely face the competition around the world you have, and you should never underestimate yourself. Just to give it your best and forget the rest. And talk to yourself when you feel very low, And just self motivating is the best motivation in the world that you could ever have. And motivation that comes from others is kind of like a thunder. It will come and go, but self motivating yourself, which is very great, because the motivation that you give to yourself will register in your mind, and the motivation that you will get from others is just like a thunder. But don't make your mind very easy. Just self motivating and self inspiring is the very big thing that you will doing to get success. And also, when you're feeling that I should give up now, or sometimes you feel like, yeah, it's done, but whenever in the race of success, whenever you're feeling that I should give up, just see the work that you have done before. Just see the hard work. Just feel the pain that you have gone before, and just don't give it upon it, because you have come through a lot to achieve your success. You can't just get out in the middle of your success, because you have already done something or some hard work to achieve it. Just don't give it upon it, because the hard work will definitely pay in future. And it sucks, relativity. Hard work will definitely pay success, because they are interlinked things. Hard work will pay success, that's it. And last thing that I want to tell you is, don't hesitate to take a break when you need. Sometimes people think that taking a break will make me a bit lazy against to your success. But taking a break is not a big thing. Just take off 1 week or 2-3 weeks. It's just normal. It's okay to take a break in the race of your success. See, getting motivated is not a very good thing, but staying in that motivation and taking that motivation until your success is the great thing. Getting motivated in 2-3 minutes and getting motivated after seeing this video is not a very big thing, but continuing your motivation until your success is the thing that matters. So never get less motivated. Self motivate yourself and self inspire yourself, because it's the ultimate thing that you will do to get your success. And thank you everybody for listening to me this carefully and also very peacefully. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.